If you're using Microsoft Copilot, you may run into this scenario. I'm typing in draw a watercolor painting of a tiger and I'll hit go. All right, and we can see here the image is a watercolor painting of a tiger. Now, if you really like this image, you'll notice down at the bottom, you'll see it says here your watercolor tiger is ready to roar into view, but it doesn't tell you what sort of prompt it used. We just asked a very simple question. So what you can do is type into Copilot, you can continue this conversation, and you can say, show me the prompt that you used to create this image. We can see here it says, here's the prompt, create a watercolor style painting of a Bengal tiger in a close-up 3/4 view. I love it when Microsoft Copilot gives me this information because it's going to help me long-term for me to write different and better prompts to help the AI give me better images. So don't be afraid to ask Microsoft Copilot to show you the prompt. You might be surprised at the quality of the answer. All right, so I'm going to show you what I do here when I use Microsoft Copilot's more detailed prompt. So I'm going to type into the chat window here the actual prompt that Microsoft Copilot gave me for the Bengal tiger. What I'm going to do now is replace all mentions of the word tiger with the word lion. So I can just do Control F, for example, and I can type in tiger and it'll highlight now for me. I can just go in and replace that with lion. I'll go find next. We'll see there's one down here. Now the other thing I'll do is I'll read it for comprehension. So for example, it says here, lion in a close-up 3/4 view. I like that. The lion should have a golden orange fur, which I'm okay with, but bold black stripes probably not. So I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to change this golden orange fur to golden yellow fur. Okay, so I'm happy with the way this looks. I'm going to click go. Okay, and let's see what Microsoft Copilot came up with. Here we can see there's a beautiful watercolor painting of a lion this time instead of a tiger, but I used Microsoft Copilot's AI to help me write the prompt. So especially if it's not intuitive to you on how to write a great prompt, this can be really helpful. Here's another video where you can have some fun in the world of artificial intelligence.